Hi guys, it's me Sushant Arora. Let's see what we can do in gold today. So first of all, happy Dashara to all my audience. Uh, let's go to daily time frame. So yesterday as well, gold uh, did some correction, and today as well we can see that there is some correction happening over here. So let's close. Okay, I'll close the volume as well. Okay, now I close this fib as well. So this is what happened today, and it's right now 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and on a daily time frame it comes to this 236 fib level, exact 236 fib level, and it retraces from there, and it traces I think almost 800 pips. So I have told in my previous video that it can show some rejection from here, but if it break this 1953 level and sustain below this 1953, then we will soon see this level of 1926 in next 1 or 2 days if it breaks. Otherwise, if it retrace from this level, then it can break previous high 1997. But let's see what happened, because I think international market have adopted what is happening globally, and now they are taking the profit, because gold was bullish since last Friday when the war was started, but now it is showing some correction at 2000 level, which is a major level. And let's see on 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, it has rejected this previous low of 1964, and it came to this 236 level, which is also a strong support zone if you see over here. So from here it came back and gave around 800 pips. So I did a buy trade over here, and now I closed the trade. That's why I'm making the video. So on 4 hour time frame, it is showing a slight trend reversal, because if you see, it makes a higher high, higher low, but new high was not made and previous low was rejected. So it might go to somewhere over here. If you see on a lower time frame, if we see any imbalance over there, okay, so it might go up to, let's see if we draw any the fib on a 15-minute time frame. So here we can see some imbalance as well, and this 1969 is a area where we can see a short trade. It's near this EMA as well. So 1969 to 1974. So here we can see a short trade if it reached today over here, and let's see. And if we draw fib from the high of that day, so my policy of fib is that if it reach 61 fib, so that fib is not considered, so I'll draw a fresh fib. It didn't reach, it reached to 50 if you see. So we can draw fib from the top of the zone as well. And if you see, the 68 is at 1980, and it's a strong resistance zone. So 1980 is also a crucial level. If it not like come back from this area, then it can go to 1980, and then it can come back. So these two levels are very crucial. So this one from 1968 to 1970. So here we can see a sell trade. with a strict stop loss. Then next strong zone is this 1980. So I will definitely take, if it this trade will fail, then I will definitely take another trade over here with a target of at least 15 points, 10 to 15 points easily. 1980 to 1970, easily 10 points we can have. And if it break this as well, then we can see this level again. So this is a good zone. I'll mark this. You might see songs playing at the background because today is festival. So, and at the bottom, if we go again 4 hour, so bottom is of course next zone for me is this, which I have already marked from 1943 to 1938. This 5 pips zone, it's a good zone for me for next to look after for next trade. So let's see what happened. So these are the 2 or 3 zones for me. So the first zone to look after for sell is, I'll prefer 1980 if it reach there by today or tomorrow. And what else we have said was 1970 also is a good zone. And the next buy zone will be around 1945 to 1938. So these 7 pips range we can see a buy trade. My preference is at around 1944 or 43. So you can see, because here we have on a 4-hour time frame 100 EMA, 50 EMA as well at 41. So till the time it reach over there, it will move slightly above. So it comes to 1942. So 1942-43 is a good zone to buy. And this area, if we see more correction, then this area we'll see later on in the coming week, or the week has just started. So maybe we see this on Friday or Thursday, Friday, or maybe sooner. So it's only like 50-60 points. So movement of 50-60 points in gold is not very big. It's a very volatile pair. If we draw a trend line from here, so if you see, it respected the third touch over here and it break the trend line. And if you see if it's a valid, how I see it's valid, I copy. Yeah, it's a valid trend line. Just copy the trend line, and if you see it's aligning properly at the other end, that means you have drawn a correct trend line. So it breach this trend line, and it's showing that the trend reversal has started, but it might go again to this level somewhere over here. So what I have told earlier 1972, 1973. So it retest the trend line, then can go come back. So let's see what happened in gold. We are looking at 4-hour time frame. If we see smaller time frame, you see this, it gives a huge potential. I have already closed my trade at 1961.5. I bought at 1954, I think 1953.5. So it is showing pretty good, really nice, easy money over here. So it might retest the trend line and can come back. So as of now, I will see only for a sell trade. Buy trade I will see over there at this zone. So I'll delete this I will delete this trend line as well. So try to keep your chart as clean as possible. I don't do too much drawing on the chart. I don't use so many indicators, because most of the indicators are lagging indicators, so they don't provide you exact information when to add in the trade. So you have to keep analyzing the chart. Spend at least 10-15 minutes every day. Don't need to sit in front of the chart entire day. Okay, let's see what happens. Thank you guys, thank you so much.